Imagine your boss drops an interior wall plan drawing on you and expects a full design turnaround in one single day. Here's a practical workflow to pull this off fast. First, go to the website. Open its Smart Edit tool. Upload your perspective photo from your boss and convert it into a clean floor plan. Feed this floor plan image into an AI tool for axonometric views in multiple design styles. Back on the website, create a new canvas project. Import your converted floor plan onto the canvas. Hit the text button, paste your newly generated prompts into the input box. Click the plus icon next to the floor plan image and select image. Paste one prompt and adjust your generation parameters, and generate. Repeat this step for every style prompt you have. You will now get a set of axonometric renderings with different aesthetics. Next, refine these outputs to make 4-grid or 9-grid composite layouts. Again, click the plus button and pick image. Then select image perspective transformation. Choose your preferred grid layout and generate. You will get multi-scene grid visuals instantly. You can also split the grid into separate standalone scene renders. Click the upper left area of your grid image, specify your grid dimensions, select the scenes you want, and hit Create Grid Group. Wait 12 minutes, you will receive individual high-quality render images for each space. If you want sharper visuals, click the plus icon beside an image and select image. Then choose High Definition Enlargement. This boosts your image resolution. You can also quickly produce interior design analysis diagrams. Click the plus next to your base image. Pick your desired analysis cart type, tweak parameters, and generate a full suite of analysis graphics. Finally, combine all your generated visuals to assemble presentation boards. Follow these steps. Finishing your boss-level design request within a single day is totally achievable.
Like, comment, and follow.